We have even more reveals of the iPhone 17 Ultra with more upgrades than we expected, and this is shaping up to be an exciting new release from Apple. So first up, we've got leaked information from a German carrier, and they say that the official launch is going to be on the 9th of September, and it's likely that the pre-orders are going to take place on the 12th of September, and then the phones are going to be shipped out and it's going to be officially released on the 19th of September, and of course they'll be shipping with iOS 26 out of the box. If you've already upgraded to iOS 26 beta and realize that you're struggling with bugs, instability or battery drain, or maybe you just don't like the liquid glass, well thankfully you can effortlessly roll back to iOS 18 with today's video sponsor, Wondershare Dr.Fone. Now what you've got to do is head to their website, download the application. We've then got plenty of system repair tools that you can use to fix many problems or even make backups of your phone. Or if you're set on switching back to iOS 18, just open up the app, plug in your phone, head to system repair and select iOS upgrade/downgrade, and then select downgrade iOS to go back to the system that you know and love. Now of course it's great for downgrades, upgrades, as well as many repairs, like if you're stuck on the Apple logo, your phone keeps restarting or shows a black screen, then Dr.Fone can fix that. You can back up all of your apps and data like from WhatsApp and Viber. We've even got screen unlock for Android and iOS if you've forgotten your password and can't get into the phone. So go ahead and take control of your iPhone with Dr.Fone today by clicking the link down in the description below. Now back to the iPhone 17, and we've got news that both Pro models of the iPhone 17 are going to be getting an upgraded camera, and according to multiple sources, the telephoto camera is not only going to be getting an upgrade to a 48 megapixel sensor, but there's also rumors that we're going to be getting multiple focal lengths, allowing users to switch between 5x and 8x optical zoom without using any sensor cropping. Now of course this kind of makes sense, as it's no doubt going to require more space internally, and maybe part of the reason that we've got this new larger camera module on the Pro models and not the base models. Now next up, we've got a leaked image of an aluminium chassis for the Pro models, and of course there's no way to verify its authenticity, but most leakers are agreeing that they are going to be using aluminium. With so much emphasis in the market on phones being lighter and thinner, this has to be the reason for the switch after they heavily promoted titanium. Now next up, we've got a leak showcasing internal components for the iPhone 17 Ultra, and this also confirms an aluminium structure as well as battery size and MagSafe unit, and it also appears that the battery is going to be larger, and this year it's reported that it could be a 5000 mAh battery, which is a jump of just over 300 mAh capacity compared to its predecessor, and I'm sure many of you are going to be happy to see it. Now next up, we've got another look at the iPhone 17 Ultra thanks to a post from Majinbuu over on X. Now this time it's showcasing the iPhone 17 Ultra in the orange color variant. Now of course this can't be real, and it's more than likely just a dummy model that someone's made. And apart from the fact that the screen is never being turned on, the biggest giveaway is when it's held inside the box, it clearly doesn't fit the cutout. Now nevertheless, it gives you a good look at what it's going to look like, providing they've got the color hue correct. And of course, I've also created these renders here to give you an idea of what you can expect from all the colors of the iPhone 17. But again, these are based on leaks, so colors may not be 100% accurate. Now for those excited though, we're now going to run through the full specs, design, and the expected pricing of every model in the range. So hit subscribe now and we'll get right into it. So first up, we've got the standard iPhone 17. With the standard iPhone 17, we get a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display, which for the first time ever is going to be a 120Hz LTPO display. It's coming with a resolution of 1179 by 2556 and protected by the next-gen ceramic shield, and we also get a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. We get the new and improved Face ID sensor, which may allow Apple to shrink the size of the dynamic island, and then the selfie camera gets an upgrade to a new 24 megapixel selfie camera, and then over on the rear it's going to be another dual camera setup with a 48 megapixel primary and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide. It's powered by the A19 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage, and is powered by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgrade to 45W fast charging, and it's going to come with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. It will of course ship with iOS 26 and is expected to launch from around $850 in mid-September 2025. Next up, we have the iPhone 17 Air, and this is going to be replacing the Plus model. With the iPhone 17 Air, we get a 6.6-inch Super Retina OLED display. It's coming with a resolution of 1290 by 2796 with a peak brightness of 3000 nits and a 120Hz refresh rate, and it's going to be protected by the next-gen ceramic shield. And the phone is an impressive 5.5mm thick, making it Apple's thinnest iPhone yet. It comes with a 24-megapixel selfie camera on the front inside the dynamic island, and then over on the rear it's just a single 48-megapixel camera. It's powered up by the A19 chipset, and it comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB storage. It's going to be powered up by a 2800 mAh battery with upgraded fast charging, and it's again going to come with 5G Advanced, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. Now it will of course ship with iOS 26, and it's expected to launch from around $950 in mid-September. Now next up we've got the iPhone 17 Pro, and this comes with a 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. It's coming with a resolution of 1206 by 2622. It's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield, and it's coming with a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. Despite early rumors of an under-display Face ID sensor and no dynamic island, it seems that this isn't going to be the case, and it's going to be the same dynamic island as last year. Now the selfie camera is upgraded to a 24-megapixel selfie camera, then over on the rear we've got a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultrawide, a 48-megapixel periscope, and of course a LiDAR scanner. It's powered up by the A19 Pro chipset, and it comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage. It's powered up by a 3600 mAh battery with an upgraded 50W fast charge, and it also comes with advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. It will of course ship with iOS 26, and is expected to launch from around $1,050, and again is coming in mid-September. Now finally, we save the best till last, the iPhone 17 Ultra. With the iPhone 17 Ultra, we get a 6.9-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display. It's got a resolution of 1320 by 2868. It's protected by the next-gen ceramic shield, and it also comes with a peak brightness of around 3000 nits. Despite early rumors of an under-display Face ID sensor and no dynamic island, it seems that this isn't going to be the case, and it's going to be the same dynamic island as last year. Now the selfie camera in the punch hole is going to be a 24-megapixel selfie camera, then over on the rear we've got a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 48-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 48-megapixel periscope camera, and the LiDAR scanner. It's powered up by the new A19 Pro chipset, and it comes with 12GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. It's going to be powered up by a 4700 mAh battery with an upgrade to 50W fast charge, and it also comes with advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and NFC. Now it will of course ship with iOS 26, and is expected to launch from around $1,250 in mid-September. So overall, the iPhone 17 series is looking like an exciting release from Apple. It's the first time we're going to get to see the ultra slim Air model, and of course we finally get a change to the iPhone 17 Pro design, which has remained the same for a long time now. Now of course, with the Pro models, the main upgrades are the more powerful chipset, the camera improvements and the new design, and of course iOS 26 brings with it a new look as well, but that's also going to be available on older iPhones. Now given it's got so many similarities to the predecessor, I don't think anyone with an iPhone 16 is going to be rushing for an upgrade, but for those of you with older iPhones or looking to try out your first iPhone, then it could be a great choice. Now of course, launch is imminent, so it's not long until Apple reveal everything themselves, but if anything comes in the meantime, I'm going to be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.